Objective 2. Compute the weighted mean. When data values have different importance or weights associated with them, we compute the weighted mean. For example, grade point average is a weighted mean, with weights equal to the number of credit hours in each course. The value of the variable is equal to the grade converted to a point value. The weighted mean, x bar with a subscript of w of a variable, is found by multiplying each value of the variable by its corresponding weight. Adding these products and dividing this sum by the sum of the weights, it can be expressed using the following formula. So here is the weighted mean. We take the sum of the weights of each observation times the value of that observation. So for each individual, you're going to multiply plus, same thing here, the second weight, the second observation, and so on, and then dividing it by the sum of the weights. So now let's take a look at an example here. Okay, and this example is having us do the following. We want to be able to compute the weighted mean. Marissa just completed her first semester in college. She earned an A in her 4-hour statistics course, a B in her 3-hour sociology course, an A in her 3-hour psychology course, a C in her 5-hour computer programming course, and an A in her 1-hour drama course. We want to determine Marissa's grade point average. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to create columns. So we're going to assign a point value to each grade. We're going to let a letter grade of A equal 4 points. A letter grade of B is going to equal 3 points. And a letter grade of C is going to equal 2 points. Now the number of credit hours for each course determines its weight. So a 5-hour course gets a weight of 5. A 4-hour course gets a weight of 4, and so on. And then we multiply the weight of each course by the points earned in the course. Add these products and then divide this by the sum. Divide this sum by the sum of the weights, which is the number of credit hours. So first thing is we have our class, so we can create sort of a table. We have our hours, which is the weighted hours. We have the point value for the letter grade, and then we're going to multiply the point value times the hours. Okay, so let's take a look at the first class. Okay, the first class is statistics. Okay, so she earned an A in her 4-hour statistics course. Okay, so what can we say here? Well, the statistics course, okay, had a weight of 4 hours. And she earned an A, and so the A is going to represent the 4 points. So we're going to take the 4 and then multiply it by the weighted hours. 4 times 4 is going to give us 16. Okay, next. The next class is sociology. So she earned a B in her 3-hour sociology course. So what is the weighted hour for the sociology course? Well, we know it's 3. Okay, and what else do we know? That she earned a B in the course. So remember, a B represents 3 points. So we're going to take that 3 and then multiply it by the hours. 3 times 3 is going to give us 9. Okay, the next course, okay, is a psychology course, and she earned an A in her 3-hour psychology course. So for psychology, it is weighted at 3 hours. Okay, she earned an A in this course, so we know the A represents 4 points. So we're going to take the hours, which is 3, and then multiply it by the point value, which is 4. So 3 times 4 is going to give us 12. Okay, the next one is computer programming. So she earned a C in her 5-hour computer programming course. So the computer programming course is represented as 5 hours. Okay, and then we know that she earned a C, so the C is equal to 2 points. So 5 times 2 is going to give us 10. Okay, and then the last course is her drama course, and she earned an A in a 1-hour drama course. So we know that the drama had an hour of 1. Okay, and she earned an A in that course, which represents 4. So 1 times 4 is going to give us 4. Okay, so now what do we do? Well, now what we want to do is we want to find the total. So what are the total of the hours? Well, the total of the hours is 16. So that's the sum of the hours. And the total for the final column, okay, is 51. So if we add up this entire column, then we're going to get 51. Okay, so now what do we do? So here's the solution. So in order to find the GPA, to find the weighted mean, we're going to take the sum of the last column. So recall here we have 4 times 4 plus 3 times 3 plus 3 times 4 plus 5 times 2 plus 1 times 4, which is what we get here. And that total gives us 51. And then we're going to add up the hours. So we take 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1, which was 16. And so when we divide those numbers, we get 3.19. So therefore, Marissa's grade point average for her first semester is 3.19.